Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 29th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 29th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in potassium. Potassium plays a key role in maintaining proper fluid balance, the production of red blood cells, and are essential for muscle function, including the heart muscles. Green beans pepper fry. Ingredients: green beans 1/4 kg, crushed pepper 3 teaspoons, chopped garlic 2 teaspoons, chopped onion 1 medium, unsalted butter 2 teaspoons, capsicum 1 number, salt to taste. Green beans pepper fry. For the 29th week, let us see how to make this. Heat a pan and add butter, add chopped garlic, onion, and capsicum, saute them well, and then add green beans. Mix well, add salt and little water. Once the beans soften, sprinkle crushed pepper and serve. Green beans pepper fry. Green beans contain antioxidants, which help protect cells from stress and inflammation. The fiber content in green beans may help stabilize blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of gestational diabetes. And then, hope you liked the 29th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.